This is Simone's Playhouse, and today we're going to be doing some of these Play-doh picnic stuff. And I have some bread here, and a Play-doh knife, which I'm going to be using, and cookies, and pretzels, and bananas, my favorite, and strawberries. This is what I'm going to use to do it. I have 5 Play-doh cans. I have red and white and brown and light brown and a big can of orange. Whoa! Hey. So, I'm going to be using those 5 now. Let's get started. Now first, I'm going to use this. And the white is going to be used. So I take this, open. Whoa! Oopsie. Now, I take the Play-doh, take it, get the can, now squeeze it. Here's the white Play-doh. Now, I'm going to take half of it, cut it in half, like that, and then put this in the Play-doh thing, and put a little bit of the rest in there, the other piece, and press. There we go. And press it down. Now, let's see. Oh, this is a yummy bread. Put it on here. I'm going to be making a peanut butter and jelly, so I need 2 breads. Now put the other one in and press. Now press down. Now let's see. Ooh, what a yummy treat. Now I'm gonna make some of the jelly with bread. This is kind of hard to open, so don't ask your parents to help you making the jelly, because you only need a little bit. Yeah, you do. So I take like this much. Now put it on the plate. Okay, put these right here. And I'm going to flatten this out. Flat, flat, flat. Okay, let me roll it first. I'm rolling it. Roll it. Now cut it. Cut it in a circle. Take the other piece. Now take these off. Put it back in here. Now here's the jelly. Do this again. Now put it on. Now the peanut butter. That's this color. The white pieces right here. Put the red right here. Okay, now get to the peanut butter, which is the cookie color. That's the light brown. Now take this, squeeze, a little more. Now roll it. Now keep rolling it. Oh man. And here we go. Now put this right here. And then put it on. Okay, wait. Let me fix this. Okay, there we go. And look at our peanut butter and jelly. Awesome. This is for Elsa. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. So, now we're going to make one more thing for Elsa. Pretzel! Yay! My favorite. So, take this. Put it right here. Roll it out a little. Now take this and press. See how it turned out. Let's see after. You have to look after you're done pressing down. So, there we go. So, I'm going to take this carefully, take this off. There we go. Now put the cap on. And here we go. Nice and delicious for Elsa. Thank you. Nice and delicious for Elsa. Now it's Belle's turn. Okay. So she is gonna be okay, let me put these away. Now she's gonna get 3 foods. Oh, that's fair. Oh, it's okay, Elsa. I'll give you a cookie. Yay. So, first I'm going to do bananas. So, I take this Play-doh, which we're going to be using for the stem. So, take this.